If your reality keeps repeating the same pattern, say this before you react. I choose different, not later, now. Say it before you text back from fear. Say it before you check the same screen again. Say it before you tell the same old story in your head. I choose different. That short phrase is not magic. It is an interruption. And most people do not need another technique. They need to interrupt the exact moment where they become the old version of themselves again. So do this with me. Think of the one thing that keeps repeating in your life. The same silence, the same delay, the same feeling in your chest when nothing seems to change. Now watch what your body wants to do. Does it want to check? Does it want to panic? Does it want to prove something? Good. That is the old pattern asking you to play your part. And before you play it, say, I choose different, stay there. Because this video is not about repeating a pretty sentence over fear. It is about catching the exact second where your reality starts repeating, because you answer it from the same identity. First, you will see why your reaction keeps recreating the old pattern. Then you will use the phrase without turning it into another empty affirmation. And the final part is the one most people skip. What to do in the next 30 seconds after you say it. That is where the reset becomes real, because your life does not repeat only because of what happened. It repeats because of who you become when it happens. The phone goes silent, and you become the abandoned one. The door closes, and you become the rejected one. The same old memory appears, and you become the person who is still trapped inside it. Then you call it reality. But it is not just reality, it is a role. And you have played it so many times that it feels automatic. This is where Neville Goddard becomes practical. Neville was not teaching people to beg the outside world to change. He was teaching state. The state you occupy is the role you keep giving life permission to reflect. So when you say, I choose different, you are not trying to control the universe with words. You are withdrawing from the role that keeps the old world alive. That is why the phrase must come before the reaction. Not after the panic, not after the checking before. The old pattern needs your participation. It needs your body, your inner speech, and your identity to move the same way again. And most people do not notice that moment because it happens fast. The screen is silent, the chest tightens. The mind says, here we go again. And that sentence opens the old door. So today, you close it before you enter. I choose different. Not because the 3D instantly changed, because you refuse to let the 3D choose your identity for you. Now listen carefully. This phrase will not work if you say it as the old self trying to escape. If you say, I choose different, while secretly begging reality to finally rescue you, the old state is still speaking. That is why affirmations can feel useless. The sentence is new, the speaker is old, so the first correction is, say it from decision, not desperation. There is a difference. Desperation says, I choose different, please make it stop. Decision says, I choose different, and I will not become the old me just because the old picture appeared. Feel that difference. One is begging, one is authority. That is the reset, not a louder sentence. A different position, so say it again, I choose different. Now ask, different from what? This matters. Because if you do not know what you are choosing different from, the phrase becomes decoration. Are you choosing different from panic? Different from checking? Different from telling the old story? Different from assuming that silence means rejection? Name the old movement. Say, I choose different from checking for proof. Or, I choose different from telling the same old story. Or, I choose different from becoming the abandoned one. Now the phrase has teeth. It is not vague. It interrupts something specific. This is the first movement. Name what you refuse to repeat. Not as shame, as clarity. Because the old self survives in vagueness. It calls the old role clarity, realism, or just needing to know. So name it. This is the old role of waiting. This is the old role of needing proof. This is the old role of asking the world to tell me who I am. Once you name it, you are no longer fully inside it. You are watching it, and the watcher has a choice. The second movement. Choose the new response before you feel ready. This is where most people fail. They wait until they feel calm before they choose differently. But the old state will always tell you that you are not ready yet. It will say, wait until the 3D gives you permission. No. You choose before the old state agrees. That is why it is a choice. Say, I choose different before I feel different. Say it slowly. I choose different before I feel different. That is not denial. Denial pretends the fear is not there. Assumption sees the fear and refuses to let it drive. There is fear, and I choose different. There is delay, and I choose different. There is an old picture, and I choose different. You are not arguing with the old picture. You are taking back the pen. This is what people call revision. But do not get trapped in the word. The deeper revision happens in the moment you refuse to give the old event the same meaning. The old self says, "This means I am unwanted." You say, "I choose different." That is not positive thinking. That is changing the authority of the event. The event does not get to decide who you are. Now pause. Look at the pattern you picked at the beginning. Ask, what does this usually make me become? Not what does this make me feel? What does this make me become? Does it make you become the one who waits, the one who checks? That is the real loop, not the circumstance, the identity you become inside the circumstance. So the third movement is, choose the self, not the sentence. If the phrase is, "I choose different," then the self is, "I am the one who no longer repeats the old role." Say that now, "I am the one who no longer repeats the old role." Do not make it dramatic. Make it true enough to move from. The new state often begins as a small refusal. I will not become the old me just because the old scene appeared. That is the reset. Not because reality exploded open in 1 second, but because the chain broke. Same trigger, different response, same screen. Different self, same memory. Different meaning. That is how reality begins to reset. It stops receiving the same old version of you. Now here is the part you cannot skip. After you say the phrase, your next action must agree. If you say, "I choose different," then immediately check the same screen 5 more times. You did not choose different. You decorated the old state. If you say, "I choose different," then spend the next 10 minutes telling the same story. You did not choose different. You gave the old story a new opening line. If you say, "I choose different," then wait for reality to prove that the phrase worked. You are still the one waiting for proof. So the fourth movement is, do one ordinary action that belongs to the new self, not a ritual. An ordinary action. Put the phone down, wash the dish, finish the task. Take the next step without making the old pattern the center of your nervous system. This is where most people underestimate the law. They think the reset must feel mystical, but the real reset often looks boring. The old self wants drama because drama gives it a role. The new self moves like the pattern has lost authority. So after the phrase, ask, "What would I do in the next 30 seconds if this no longer owned me?" Do that. If the answer is stop rereading, stop rereading. If the answer is stop checking, stop checking. If the answer is go back to your work, go back to your work. That is not small. That is embodiment, because the body learns identity through movement. Your next action teaches the nervous system. We are not doing the old role this time. We choose different. This is why "I choose different" is stronger than a long affirmation. A long affirmation can hide inside the old state. This phrase demands a different next move. Different how? Different now? Different in the body. That is what makes it practical. Now take the full reset in one sequence. When the old pattern appears, do not rush. Stop, name the role. This is the old role of needing proof. Say the phrase, "I choose different," choose the self. I am the one who no longer repeats the old role. Then seal it with one ordinary action. I put the phone down. I stop explaining. I finish the task in front of me. That is the reset. Not because the words forced reality, because you stopped feeding reality the same identity. Neville Goddard would call this a change of state. You could call it revision. You could call it assumption. But before any label, it is this. The old scene asked you to become the old self. And you chose different. That is where the power is. Not in saying words perfectly. Not in sounding spiritual. Not in pretending the old picture is not there. In refusing to let the old picture choose your role. If this video showed you the exact pattern you keep repeating, write it in the comments. Just one sentence. I keep becoming the one who checks. Or I keep becoming the one who waits. Then seal it with, I choose different. Do it so your own mind sees the decision outside of your head. If you want the deeper framework behind state, identity, desire, and why techniques fail when the old self is still speaking, I left the free masterclass below. Use it as a mirror to see where you keep giving authority away. But do not wait for another video to choose. Use the phrase today. Before you check, before you react, before you become the old role again, say, I choose different. Then make the next action agree. That is how you stop repeating the old reality. Not by fighting it, not by begging it, not by staring at it until it changes. By becoming the one who no longer answers it the same way, the same door can appear, the same silence can appear, the same delay can appear. But if the same old self does not appear, the pattern has already started to break. So say the phrase, choose the self, seal the action, and let reality meet the version of you that no longer repeats the old role.